We're here today with a blower. This is a 20 horsepower blower. And what we've done is we've integrated a PTO or a thermal overload switch integration into the control circuit in the phase converter. That'll protect the blower. It'll also protect the phase converter, and it makes this unit robust in the nature if the temperature gets too hot, it will turn the phase converter off. It'll protect the blower. It'll wait for the temperature to come back down before you can turn the phase converter back on. Let's get in and take a look at the phase converter and how that's all connected, and you'll understand exactly how we engineered that. This is a product called a T3. It's a solid-state phase converter that integrates the best technology we've got today into an environment where you've got the flexibility to control your machines with the sensitivity of the voltage that's required in today's machinery. So inside we've got the integrated control system. Now the integrated control system is run through the digital controls, the intelligence of this phase converter. And what it offers us is it offers us the communication link between the machinery and the phase converter. It allows us to run things like remote start, automated control systems, so if you want to run your CAM system, you can control operating the phase converter and your machinery through that software. It also offers us the thermal overload protection systems, where if you want to protect a blower, for example, this blower here, it'll protect the temperature of this unit, which turns off the phase converter, and the phase converter will not come back on until this unit comes within spec for temperature. When it comes to phase converters, the majority of the manufacturers out there do not include a starter in their unit. This comes with a built-in starter. So you don't have to worry about buying starters and integrating them. This comes with it built in. Another nice feature is you can also use this as a starter for your machines, which is great. So you don't have to buy a separate starter for your machine and the phase converter. It's all integrated into one. Something that's critical to these units, these blowers and these vacuums, is temperature. Most of them have a built-in thermal overload sensor in there, and what that is it's a switch. It's normally closed, and when the temperature gets to a certain point, it pops open. That disconnects the electricity, turning the unit off. Well, we've integrated that directly into the phase converter, so it turns the phase converter off, it protects the phase converter and the blower or the vacuum. This T3 sits at standby normally. If you look at the light here, it's ready to start that machine. So we're going to start that machine here remotely with the T3. Now that it's running, converter off, which turns the blower off, protecting the blower and the phase converter. An expensive investment protected by GENTEC.